Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see my breath, sorry about that. Today we are going to IKEA and I am building in our spare bedroom a wardrobe room and I am so excited. At first I had it as a spare bedroom and I was using my sister's old furniture. In there just in case anybody wanted to sleep over, but like, who sleeps at people's houses as an adult? Hardly ever anyone does that. We decided to take that all down and then I was going to make a wardrobe closet out of it, or a wardrobe room with like lots of piping and stuff, but the pipes turned out to be like really unstable, so we are going to make a wardrobe room instead. That's what we're doing. Woo! So excited. So we're headed to IKEA right now and we're picking up some pieces to put together, and I'm going to show you guys the before and after and kind of walk you through the pieces that I'm going to purchase. I like these little cubes here. These baskets are nice. I like the lights. These are the wardrobe systems, and then you can get like any addition to it. So they've got like these cool drawers. I definitely want a pull-out like this. I think that'll be really nice. Like the inserts to put on them. So cute. I really like these drawers, so I think I'm gonna get these ones. It's the best one. I think it looks very sleek and put together. Like, these ones are nice, but they don't look nearly as finished as the other ones do. Yeah, just this one is the nice. See how cute that is? Such a good shelving option. Like, these are nice too, but I think these just look much more final. I'm gonna get clothing rails like this, and then definitely like a tray like this in white to slide out. I was thinking about containers like these for up top, but I just can't see myself using these as much, and I want to be able to find something more customizable to my room. Cuter, you know? These, I agree, are so cool though for pants. I decided not to include a door because I felt like that would close off the space, but like, I was looking at the doors and like, that one is so cute. I'm gonna get this desk. I like the little drawers here and how these ones like come out. I love that. Between looking at all the different designs and what to do with the wardrobe room and picking everything up in the warehouse, it took us a whole 3 hours to pick everything up. Devin also got stuff for his office, so we had to make 2 trips to the car because we got so many boxes, but it did take us a really long time to find everything. So we got some Sundays, we packed it up all in the truck, and we headed home. All this stuff, we're gonna take it home and try and build it all. Who knows if we'll get it all built today though. So much. I'm exhausted. We picked up so much stuff. I'll show you guys, like, just so much stuff. We're gonna take a little break and then start to unpack this stuff. We'll see how it goes. We're done putting the wardrobe units up. Man, that took a lot of time. But now we're gonna put the shelves up and get the drawers in, and it should be a good time. I'm exhausted. Hey guys. Always curious. Guys, this is what we've got so far. This morning I put in these 2 shelves and then put up that shelf up there. Last night I installed this little desk. Here is the closet. There's all Devin's stuff on the bottom here and my stuff up top. So I'm going to be moving it out, putting it into the new closet because this is just not enough space for both of us. Just always looks so cluttered, so that's what we're doing. What's up, guys? It's me and Bugs here today. When Devin and I first bought our house, it's a 3-bedroom house, so the master bedroom and then 2 kind of spare bedroom. Hi. Maddie's here too now. Gang's all here. Alright. If you want to see what my house looks like, I will link the video down below here. The 3rd bedroom was just kind of up in the air. We weren't really sure what we were going to do with it. For the first like 6 months, I had all of my sister's old furniture in here. That was okay for a bit, but I didn't really utilize the room. Took all the furniture out, and then I'm usually like a plan, never do first kind of person. I definitely was like, okay, I'm going to change my room. The 3rd room is going to be a wardrobe room. This is going to be amazing. I was going to put the plumbing on the wall as like a closet, and then I just didn't really have any thoughts after that. Dev and I went to go put it in the wall. It just like fell. This is the piping that I had purchased from Home Depot. Like you can put all of these little pieces together, and yeah, it fell right out of the wall. As you can tell. I took everything down, just kind of like left it as it is. I was like, oh, I'm not going to work on this. I'm not going to work on this. And then about a month ago, we started to get ideas. We first went to IKEA and just looked around at everything. After a few days of playing on my computer and kind of measuring everything out, I was like, okay, I want a vanity, I want a mirror, I want some shelving, and then this particular wardrobe section, or I want it to look like this. So we brought it home, we put it all together. There's some pizza. It was a lot, but we did it and it's together. So, and I also really like that I have a place that's all to my own. I also struggle with my own personal style. Kind of have like a tomboy way about me. I don't like really being that girly. I don't have a lot of makeup. You guys will see. I don't have a lot at all. I really want to grow that side of me and that part about me. This is one step to that. I think having a place where I can come and just be girly and vulnerable with myself. Dress up, dress down, like experiment. So I think that's a really big thing that I really wanted to get out of this room. I can come, just decompress, think about things, watch videos, do my makeup. I hope that you guys enjoy this room. I'm really excited about how the room turned out, but I am not done adding some pieces, and it is nowhere near finished, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, maybe hit the subscribe button. Stick around, see what other videos that I produce for you guys.